Hello everyone, I am Darpin, a student of MSc Computer Science at the University of Regina. Today in this video I will share the implementation of the Smart Illumination System using an Arduino board. The Smart Illumination System is an implementation of a lighting system that focuses on preventing unnecessary consumption of electricity by using smart measures. In this project, I have worked on 4 modules which can be used alternatively to fulfill our day-to-day lighting needs and at the same time saving resources without compromising with visual comfort. 4 modules discussed in this project are Application Mode, Manual Mode, Remote Mode and Automatic Mode. All of these modes and their working mechanisms will be discussed in this video one by one.
Automatic Mode.
Before activating automatic mode on the Smart Illuminating System, we have to connect the system with the mobile application so that we can command the system to activate automatic mode. To initiate the automatic mode, we have to tap on the label named Intensity Level. When automatic mode is activated, Smart Illuminating System sends the light available in the room via sensors and decides what intensity of light is required. This mode considers the sunlight as the primary source of light and use electrical lights only when sunlight is not sufficient. This mode follows a mechanism that can utilize the natural light in the best possible way. In this mode, with the help of photoresistors, Arduino detects the brightness in the room and calculate the level of light intensity in the room. By default, there are 10 levels of light. If the available light intensity is 8 in the afternoon, Smart Illuminating System will just glow 2 levels of electrical lights in the room. This is a very beneficial system which can use renewable resources like sunlight and reduce the unnecessary consumption of electricity. Best characteristic of this mode is that there will be no human intervention in the working of this mode. It is a true automatic mode where input is not accepted from user, rather the system relies completely on sensors for operations. There will be a predefined light intensity level which both sensors and actuators will try to maintain. To activate automatic mode, user has to click on intensity level on the automatic mode screen and everything henceforth will be controlled by sensors and actuators.
Manual Mode.
Manual mode is the second module added to the Smart Lighting System. This module is designed for those users who want to decide a light intensity level in the room by themselves. In manual mode, user inputs the desired light intensity from a keypad place in the room itself. The input from the user is then forwarded to the Arduino for processing. Arduino reads the requested intensity level and lights up the room as directed. For instance, if it is daytime, and the user in the room do not want all the lights on in the room, he can press 4 on the keypad. In response to this, the microcontroller will light up the room as per intensity level 4. Additionally, the user can also open and close windows to inlet sunlight and fresh air to further compensate/indemnify/recoup with electrical lights and fans. This manual mode could be very beneficial in cases when sensors are either not working properly or disguised. In Smart Illuminating System, manual mode is activated by default all the time, so that the user can intervene anywhere in case of malfunctions. Better information about the working of manual mode is mentioned in the information section of mobile application.
Remote mode.
The remote module is another prodigious mode added to this project. Like manual mode, users have access to switch lights in this mode as well, but with remote mode, users can also switch lights in only required regions of the room. This is better than manual mode as it allows the user to switch as many lights as per their convenience with merely a remote control from anywhere in the room. In remote mode, the user has access to all the lights individually. User can switch on and off the lights as per his location in the room, which can further save resources. For example, there is only one person in the room, which is sitting near the door beneath light number 8. With the remote module, he can only switch on light number 8 and save electricity without hampering his visual comfort. Whereas, if we press 8 in the keypad module, it will light up the room with intensity level 8 irrespective of the location of the person. In addition to this, users can also open and close windows to let natural light come in with just the tip of his thumb from anywhere in the room. Similar to manual mode, remote mode is always active all the time by default, so that the user can light up the room as per his requirement and convenience anytime merely with a click of a button.
Application mode.
Application mode is another handy mode of operations in Smart Illuminating System. In application mode, an Android application can be used to interface between user and the system. Here, we have used Bluetooth technology to connect the application with the Arduino board using a Bluetooth module. Once the connection is established between application and Arduino, desired light intensity level can be selected from the application. Working mechanism in this module is identical to combination of remote and keypad module with some additional features. The application can be installed on any device which has been given access to the lighting system and can be monitored by all of them, which can prevent it from being misused. On top of it, user can also control window opening and closing from the application. Furthermore, this application can also access the system remotely from any part of the world when connected via the internet.